welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is how to build strong bonds in the modern family. Interesting, don't you think? We will visualize our theme with an image that will depict a close and loving family. To match all the elements and connect them, we will use the colors from the image. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we'll be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide, so you can practice with us. First, we will change the color from the background. Right click, format background, we go to fill, solid fill, color, eyedropper, and we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. Now we will insert 3 circles. We go to insert ribbon, we choose shapes, oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape, format, size, height, we put 17.5 per centimeter and width 17.5 centimeter. It's about 6.88 inches if you have inches in your settings. Then we copy this circle, right click copy, right click paste, and we change the dimensions. We put height 16.3 centimeters and 16.3 centimeters. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 6.41 inches. And we go and copy one more time, right click copy, right click paste the second circle, and we change the dimensions. We choose shape, format, size, height 15 centimeter and width 15 centimeter, and it's about 5.9 inches if you have inches in your settings. Now we choose all the circles, click, shift press click, go to shape, format, align center, align middle. Now we go to the biggest circle, we choose the biggest circle, we go to shape, fill, eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area, and then we go to right click, format, shape, solid line, we choose white color, width 4 points, dash type the second, cap type round. Now we go to the second circle, we choose solid fill color with the eyedropper, the second color, the third color from the left side outside of the design area. We go to the line, solid line, color white, width 4 points, dash type the second, cap type round, and we set the transparency 54%. And we go to the smallest circle, we go to shape fill, we don't need shape fill because we go to insert the image. We go to picture or texture fill, we go to insert from a file, click the image that we want to insert and click insert. And we go to line, solid line, color eyedropper, we choose the fourth color in a row, and width 4 point. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Now we will insert rectangles. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. And we want to go to Shape Format Size Height, 9.40, and width we let it as it is. We go to right click Format Shape, we choose Color, Eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, line, solid line, white color, points 2.25. We set the transparency at 38%, 38, and we go right click, we send it back. Then right click copy, we want another one rectangle, right click paste, we choose to change the height 10.80 centimeter, the width we let it as it is, and if you have inches in your settings, it's about 4.25 inches. We go to Format Shape, we set the transparency to 56%, and right click, send back. Now we will insert our title. We go to Insert Ribbon, we choose and click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose the Bandschrift semi-bold semi-content font, size 40, and we choose the color that we want with the eyedropper, the third color outside of the design area, and we write our title, Shift apostrophe, building, strong bonds, nurturing, love, and unity in the modern family, close apostrophe, and we adjust the text . Now it's time to insert our presenter's name. We're going to Insert Ribbon. We choose and click Text Box. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose the same font again. Bandschrift semi-bold semi-content. Size 20. And we choose the color with the eyedropper, the third color in a row, from the left side outside of the design area, and we write our presenter's name. By Martha G. Santos. We will put a small rectangle that will separate the title from the presenter's name. So we go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. Now we go to shape format, shape fill, we choose white, shape outline, no outline. And it's time for animations. We put animations in the order we want the elements to appear. First we go to the biggest circle, we choose emphasis, we go to animations ribbon, we choose emphasis spin, duration 2.75, start with previews, effect options, clockwise full spin as it is. We go to the medium circle, we choose emphasis spin, duration 2.75, effect options, counterclockwise, start with previews. We go to the circle with the image, entrance zoom, duration 1, start with previews, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the first rectangle, the large, entrance fly in, duration 1, start after previews, effect options, from right. We go to the second rectangle, entrance fly in, duration 1, start with previews, effect options, from right. We go to the title, entrance zoom, duration 1, start after previews, effect options, object center as one object as it is. We go to the small rectangle, we choose entrance zoom, duration 0.50 as it is, start after previews, effect options, object center as it is. We go to the presenter's name, animations, entrance zoom, duration 0.75, effect options, object center as one object as it is, start after previews. And we go to the circle with the image again, we click add animation, emphasis pulse, duration 0.50 as it is, start after previews. And now we go to and click the slideshow button to see the final result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!